Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about Hind Swaraj, reading of Hind Swaraj and Gandhian thought, commentaries on Hind Swaraj and Gandhian thought. Before we will discuss on these topics, let's have a brief introduction about Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know that Mahatma Gandhi was born on 1869 and died in 1948. Gandhi is the father of modern India and one of the great architects of present secular state. His father was a diwan at the court. Gandhi's mother was a very religious lady and left a deep impact on his mind. Gandhi was a shy child and spent most of his time in his books. After his early education in India, Gandhi went to England for his higher studies. He returned to India after obtaining degree of law in 1891 and set up his practice as a lawyer. Thereafter he went to South Africa and saw the worst type of racial discrimination there being practiced by the non-whites and the Indians living there. Gandhi was highly influenced by the Western philosophers along with the Indian culture and tradition. The major incident that took place with Gandhiji was that he was thrown out of train while he was sitting in the first class compartment when a white passenger objected to his presence. The event catalyzed Gandhi's mind. A week later, overcoming his shyness, he began speaking at meeting and then started organizing his own. At first, his goal was to protect Indian workers and traders in South Africa and then expand their rights. Gandhi was highly influenced by her mother and her nurse Ramba, who are deeply religious ladies. The play of Harish Chandra left probably deep and profound impact on Gandhi's mind and confirmed his faith in the principle of truth and non-violence. This is the brief introduction about Mahatma Gandhi. Now we will discuss Hind Swaraj, the reading of Hind Swaraj. Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule is a small book written by Gandhiji in 1909. Gandhi had written this book while travelling from London to South Africa in less than 10 days. Hind Swaraj is an impressive, inspiring and a good book written in the form of dialogue where the reader and editor happens himself Gandhi. It's a book which gives possibility for emerging and developing good ideas out of discussion and deliberation. Hind Swaraj is basically the ideas that are articulated by the Gandhiji with his experiences of 15 years stay in South Africa. Hind Swaraj primarily deals with two major issues. One is critique of modern civilization, another is nature and structure of Indian Swaraj and the means and methods to achieve it. Gandhi was basically very critique to modern civilization. He always criticized modern civilization, Western civilization, colonialism. He was claiming that modern civilization is based on Western civilization. Western civilization is based on conflict, cooperation, capitalism. Therefore, he critically rejected these kind of civilization. He tried to develop Indian kind of Swaraj, a kind of Swaraj where government run by the common people. Therefore, he designed the structure and nature and the means and methods to adopt the Swaraj and abolish and overthrow the British capitalism or British colonialism in India. Hind Swaraj shows that Mahatma Gandhi's sense of Indian civilization ethos, drawn from both literary canon and oral folklores. Gandhi combines his cultural, political, economic ideas in the book. When we talk about the structural ingredients of Hind Swaraj, we find that Gandhi faced many problems in India and South Africa which influenced him to write this book. He was disturbed by the social structure, economic structure and political structure in India and South Africa. Social structures, he was disturbed by caste hierarchy, caste system, color discrimination. He tried a lot to remove these evils and ethnic groups in India and South Africa. From the economic structure, he said that Indian economy was based on the mercy of British colonialism, which is based on exploitation and on injustice, and people do not have good share in the British colonialism. Therefore, the economic structure under the British colonialism also disturbed Gandhiji. The political structure also disturbed Gandhiji, which influenced him to write the Hind Swaraj in just 10 days, is that he was saying that British colonialism suppresses the Indian people. Indian people have no role in the administration, in the governance. Therefore, he also disturbed by the political structure of India during British colonialism in India. Therefore, Hind Swaraj was produced at the point of time where Gandhi was very much disturbed by social, economic, political structures of Indian society as a part of British colonialism. The intellectual ingredients of Hind Swaraj is that for writing the Hind Swaraj, Gandhiji consulted 20 books. Out of these 20 books, only 2 books were written by Indian authors, that is Poetry and Un-British Rule in India by Dadabhai Nehruji and R.C. Dutt's Economic History of India. Rest of these books, 18 books, were written by the Western philosophers, particularly Tolstoy, R.W. Emerson, Ruskin, etc. It is being said that Gandhi consulted 5 books of Tolstoy written by Tolstoy and incorporated the idea of non-violence from him. From R.W. Emerson, he had got the idea of self-reliance, self-worth, disapproving the state when it coerces the common people. From John Ruskin, Gandhi has incorporated the idea of Sarvodaya, that is upliftment of all, dignity of labor, division of labor, and work is God. Besides, Gandhi also influenced by some indigenous sources. These indigenous sources are that Gandhi always referred to Vedas, Upanishads and epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. While writing the Hind Swaraj, Gandhi adopted normative and historical approach in writing this book. In the dialogue of Hind Swaraj, Gandhiji outlines 4 themes that structure his argument. First is home rule is self-rule. Gandhiji is saying that home rule is basically the self-rule. Self-rule, government, people's rule. Therefore, he was claiming home rule as a self-rule. Second is Indian independence is only possible through passive resistance. Gandhi is saying that every Indian must become resistant of British colonialism. Only this way India can become independent. Therefore, he wanted that all must adopt the policy of passive resistance in order to get independence for India. Third is Swadeshi. He wanted self-reliance. He wanted Swadeshi should be exercised by all the Indians for gaining independence. Fourth is critique of modern civilization. Gandhiji is very critical of Western civilization. He is saying that Western civilization is like a disease that takes neither religion nor morality. It is based on conflict, it is based on competition. Therefore, he criticized Western civilization through his all arguments in the Hind Swaraj. Gandhiji was against Western civilization because it is based on modernity and using machines, industrialization. It becomes human being unskillful and destroys the nature. He criticized Western civilization, in other words, because it is based on exploitation, it is based on colonialism, it is based on competition, it is based on capitalism and competition. Therefore, he totally criticized Western civilization because Western civilization is an immoral civilization. It does not take the prospectus of value, virtue. It is based on immoral reasons and unethical things. Gandhi thought of Hind Swaraj in a book that could be put in the hands of a child. He teaches the gospel of love in place that of hate. It replaces violence with sacrifice. Gandhiji used soul force against the brute force. The Hind Swaraj brings out the philosophical significance of a concept of Swaraj. Gandhiji laid down his philosophy of life in his work, which defines the concept of rule of law and also the concept of political and economic freedom. Hind Swaraj is Gandhi's manifesto for Indian freedom struggle, since it lays down the principle of Satyagraha, namely Satya and Ahimsa. Gandhi harmonizes the political and economic freedom with spiritual freedom and emphasizes the soul force as the new principle for the emancipation of Indian masses in addition to their economic and political freedom. Gandhiji was further debating the pros and cons of the ethical principles and practical solution that would govern a nation that exists only in his imagination, writing in the form of dialogue between reader and the editor. Basically, Hind Swaraj is written in the form of dialogue. Gandhi's central idea in Hind Swaraj emerges from his attack on Western civilization that values only the acquisition of material wealth at the expense of morality, spiritual and religious values, of the adoption of technology without the concern of equal distribution of wealth. Gandhiji finds that making bodily welfare the object of life, the goal of civilization, Western society has lost its relevance, lost its concern for other values. Therefore, he strongly criticized Western civilization, saying that Western civilization is based on acquisition of material wealth at the expense of morality. It overlooks the morality, it overlooks the ethnicity, it overlooks the ethics. Therefore, he totally rejected and criticized Western civilization and adopted Indian civilization, which is based on morality, which is based on ethics, which is based on sympathy and cooperation and love. On Indian civilization, Gandhiji imagines a nation that accommodates all religions. Gandhiji writes in Hind Swaraj, India cannot cease to be one nation because people belonging to different religions live in it. This is a big thing that Gandhiji is saying, that India cannot live without all religions. He's saying India is composed of different religions. It is like a bouquet of different flowers that makes the India flourish, green and happy. While comparing the Indian civilization versus Western civilization, Gandhiji in Hind Swaraj chapter number 14, he is saying that the tendency of Indian civilization is to elevate moral being, that of Western civilization is to propagate immorality. It is very much clear that Western civilization is creating immorality, Indian civilization is based on morality. Therefore, he criticized Western civilization and adopted Indian civilization. Regarding the Swaraj as self-rule, Gandhiji is saying that it is the Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. It is therefore in the palm of our hands, but such Swaraj has to be experienced by each one for himself. One drawing man will never save the others. He is saying that Swaraj or self-rule must be adopted by everybody. Everybody must become virtual, everybody must become ethical, everybody must become religious, everybody must become non-violent. Regarding the duty service, Gandhiji is saying that let each do his duty. If I do my duty, there is serve myself, I shall be able to save others. Therefore, while reading the Hind Swaraj, we feel that Hind Swaraj is basically a very impressive, very practical book written by Hind Swaraj. The moral and civilized message of Hind Swaraj is worth appreciable. Gandhiji said that India will never be free unless it rejects Western civilization itself. In the entire text, he is deeply critical of Western civilization, claiming India is being ground down not under the English heels but under the heels of modern civilization. He is equally criticizing modern civilization. The people of India are thinking that modern civilization is good, but Gandhiji is saying that modern civilization equally disturbs India, and equally destroys India. Therefore, in nutshell, we can see that Hind Swaraj is basically a foundational text for understanding the Gandhian vision of Indian future society. It's a book in the form of dialogue, in the form of deliberation, where we can discuss and go for wider debate and greater debate for envisioning a beautiful India. The second topic is commentaries on Hind Swaraj and Gandhian thought. Hind Swaraj is Gandhi's seminal work that was originally written in Gujarati in 1909. It was written in 10 days between 13th to 22nd of November 1909 on boarding the ship from England to South Africa. It is also a work which he himself translated from Gujarati into English. No other work of his, not even his autobiography, enjoys this privilege. It is being said that when his right hand got tired while writing the Hind Swaraj, he has used left hand to write the Hind Swaraj in just 10 days of 30,000 words. Gandhiji was open to critique and wanted there must be greater debate, discussion and argument for finding the blueprint of Indian future society. He did never run away from the critiques. There are innumerable commentaries and write-ups, reviews on Hind Swaraj, either appreciating, commending its broad and bold ideas, or criticizing blindly his harsh views on modern civilization. Gandhiji was willing to listen and respond to the critiques of his Hind Swaraj. Gandhiji has responded many critiques during his lifetime. Hind Swaraj is a critique to colonialism and Western civilization, as already has been discussed. In Hind Swaraj, we find that Gandhi envisioned his mission of life. His mission of life was to establish Swaraj, self-government for India, and eradicate British colonialism in India. This book expresses his ideas on many concepts like modern civilization, peace resistance, education, machinery, conditions of India, including the railway, doctors and lawyers. Modern civilization forms the broad and historical context of Hind Swaraj. Its critique of that civilization is one of the main contributions to modern political thought. According to Gandhi, modern civilization posed a great threat to Indians than colonialism. He expressed his fear because Indians accepted modern civilization is a blessing, colonialism as an evil, forgetting that colonialism itself was a product of modern civilization. Therefore, he was pointing out that modern civilization is equally dangerous and it is the product of colonialism. Therefore, people must not adopt modern civilization, colonialism, Western civilization, because these all things are based on immorality, unreasonable things, exploitation and injustice. Therefore, he strongly criticized Western civilization in the book Hind Swaraj. On Swaraj or self-government, Gandhiji said, "By Swaraj I mean the government of India by the consent of people." His concept of Swaraj is purely based on truth and non-violence. He said, there are 4 cardinal principles on which the idea of Swaraj is based. These 4 cardinal principles are: number 1, political independence. For establishing Swaraj, it is essential that there must be political independence. People have the right to vote, to speak, to ask the government, to ask the questions on the government. Second is economic independence. Economic independence is equally important for establishing Swaraj. Third is morality and social values. Society must be morally right and socially and must have some social values, because Gandhian concept of Swaraj, Gandhian concept of civilization based on truth, non-violence, morality, ethics and virtues. Fourth is religion. He wanted that every person must be given freedom to practice his or her religion. Swaraj or self-rule, according to Gandhi, is better than good government. He is saying that Swaraj, self-rule, the rule of common people, is better than good government, because here the ultimate sovereignty is within the common people. People are absolutely free to do whatever they can like to do, because they are having absolute sovereignty. Swaraj is based on ahimsa, where people need not to know their rights but become essential to perform their duties. Mahatma Gandhi further argued that he had the problem with craze behind machineries. As we all know that Gandhi was very critique to modernity. He was anti-modernization. He was saying that machinery, these equipment, this industrialization is bad for human being, because human being become lazy, idle. Therefore, Gandhi intends to provide the minimum basic needs to each and everyone. Gandhi is not criticizing either doctors or lawyers, though apparently it appears so, but Gandhi had a problem with narrow and limited nature of these professions. Gandhi himself was a liar there. In other words, he was also criticizing the lawyers, because this profession is it creates rivalries, it creates conflict, it creates fraud, it creates force. Gandhiji said that the profession of lawyers and doctors are corrupting the moral and human influence in modern society. Gandhiji regarded violence as an un-Indian, something alien to Indian civilization. He is saying that Indian civilization Indian civilization is not based on violence. It is something alien for Indians and Indian civilization. Violence is based in Western civilization. Therefore, he adopted Indian civilization. He condemns the use of brute force in Western power. Gandhiji distanced himself from the military nationalists for their support to violence. It is being said that Hind Swaraj written by Gandhiji for two purposes. First purpose is that he wanted to provide an alternative system for demanding the independence of India. The alternative system of non-violent method. He was providing a non-violent method as an alternative method for attaining independence. Secondly, he wanted to provide blueprint for Indian future society, how Indian future society should be. Because in 1909, nobody was thinking of self-government. Gandhiji was such a visionary person. He has given the idea of self-government, independence, rule of people, rule of village. Today, people are demanding that we must be given right to vote, etc. These are the things that Gandhiji had told before 1 century ago. Gandhiji condemns the brute force in Western power. Gandhiji distanced himself from military nationalists. Therefore, he distanced himself from military nationalists for their support to violence. Gandhiji was also critical to Western system of education for much of what it stood for. He felt that it was wholly unsuited to Indian needs and was bad copy of Western civilization. He also criticized the Western concept of civilization and Western concept of education, because Western system of education is not based on morality. It's based on more than rationality. More than rationality, did not think of morality, ethics. Therefore, he adopted the Indian system of education. He was not totally against the modern civilization. Keep in mind that Gandhiji was not against the modern civilization, but he was against the craze behind civilization, but he had a deep suspicion of the material progress in the West and its concepts of modernity. Therefore, Gandhi himself sometimes accepted the limitations on the basis of formulations given in Hind Swaraj, particularly in respect to Swaraj, the rule of machinery and the rule of Western modern states vis-a-vis the civil society. But this does not mean that Gandhiji or his Hind Swaraj is totally irrelevant. The overall views and reviews shows that Hind Swaraj is actually a blueprint of India's future society. Hind Swaraj is alive today, and even after more than 110 years, Hind Swaraj cannot be understood in a literal sense of term. It needs wider and broader perspective, wider intellectual perspective, greater debate needs for understanding the Hind Swaraj. Therefore, the overall analysis and views shows that Hind Swaraj is an open book for debate, discussion, deliberation, and bring reforms in the society as envisaged by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.